It's currently Sunday and I'm trying to create a schedule whereby I get everything as arranged as early as possible and then I create content during the day. As you can see from my last video, I broke this table actually. And I've thought of a solution for it. So I need to record a video of a studio tour. But right now, my studio is not nearly as arranged as I would like it to be. Not just by the structure of the table. I don't know where to hang my light. I don't know if this angle is good. I don't know a lot about this video. This is more of like a video of me showing what I've done so far, as well as explaining all the things that I would like to do. So my name is Ibrahim Osman. Glad you're watching this video. And yeah, let's jump straight into it. So this is why I decided to go. I moved everything to the extreme end. I decided to take that little table I had at the corner and move it all the way to the middle of the white top that I placed on top of the desk that broke. This is good enough for me to record a video, but I do have one or two different problems. There's a ton of space here and I'm worried by the weight I put on my table. If I accidentally put weight to one side or the other side of the table might tip off. And right now on my desk, I have my desktop screen applying weight to one side of the table. I tried to move it to the center as much as possible, but it is not 100% at the center. So it's not 100% being supported by the desk I have under. So that I am worried about. So I need to get new feet that I'll put here and at the edge there to give it a little bit more structure so it doesn't accidentally tip over. The top is actually quite solid and I don't think it will like snap into two. But it's better off not to take risk because I don't know what I'll have on the table. And I don't want a situation whereby I have like a PS5 on my table and then it now tipped over and then the thing now fell down and I lost that PS5 while I was trying to make a review. It'll make for good content, but I really would not like to lose a PS5 that way. So let me just quickly get the length of this table as well as the width. So let me figure out exactly what I'm actually going to get. So now I'm going to use that measurement to get some kind of support that I can put at the edge. Oh, why did my lights just go off? Found it. Now this new setup I realized that I've been wasting this space since I removed that desk. If there's one thing that has been consistent in my channel is that I change things a lot. I always look for ways to improve them. I'm not afraid to try new things. So the one thing I want to try this time around is to see how much lighting can I fit inside this studio space. The way my set usually is, I'm sure you can see the edge of my face is kind of dark. It's a creative decision. I like having a little bit of dark shade at the side while the main light hits me from the other side. But at the same time, I am curious to see how proper 3-point lighting would actually look. Now that I have this a bit more space than before, I can actually do a lot with my lighting. An idea I have was, this space where my desk was before, I can have a light like this at this particular part, shining the side of my face, and right above me I have this little hook, and I think I can mount another light at the top facing directly at my chair. And with that, I think I can have some form of 3-point lighting actually. Over the course of a few videos, we'll see how much I can actually accomplish with everything and this little bit of space that I have now. So let me hurry up and get off this chair that I'm standing that doesn't feel secure at all, and let's get back to making this video. So yeah, that's the idea I have for this studio space. What I want to do now is like clean up this entire space so it's not this dirty. I just quickly arrange this thing so that I'll be able to get back to making videos, but I'll just make it a little bit neater, enough for me to actually shoot a video here and then get back to record a proper video for my channel. So thank you for watching. My name is Ibrahim Osman. I will catch you guys in the next one. Before I forget, I should also mention that I decided to keep the top of my other desk. Usually I plug my phone on this socket right here and I don't want my phones to be on the floor, so felt like a good place for me to just drop my phones and maybe if I plug them for them to charge. Yeah, let me continue whatever I was doing.